Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Quick Access Tools. The Quick Access tools are found in the top left corner of the Excel application. Some of the Quick Access tools available include Save, Undo, Repeat or Redo, and Print. The Undo tool will take a step backwards and reverse the last action. Repeat is the opposite to undo and will take a step forward, repeating the last action. Watch how I use the Undo tool to reverse the changes I make to cell K2. I can use the Repeat tool to repeat the last action. Watch again how I use the Undo tool to reverse my actions. The Quick Save tool will update any amendments made to the saved workbook. If the workbook has not been saved before, the Save As dialog box will appear. There are many other quick access tools available when clicking the small down arrow. Selecting a tool will add it to the Quick Access toolbar, ready for use. Observe. I have added the Quick Print tool. Clicking this will immediately print the workbook.